Hi, it's AutoCADer, and on this video I'll show you how to keep Z value 0 for all objects which will be drawn in AutoCAD. As you know, AutoCAD is a software which allows to work in both 2D and 3D spaces. Regardless whether you draw something in 2 or 3D, coordinate system always contains 3 axes, X, Y, and Z. So even if you're drawing something in 2D, Z axis is present anyway, but you can see it as it's perpendicular to your drawing. So there is a possibility that your objects will accidentally become 3D objects without you even knowing that. This means that Z value of points indicating these objects will be different than 0. In such cases, you'll not be able to fully use all AutoCAD features in order to modify these objects. Take a look at these two lines as an example. Yellow line is a 2D line, which means Z value of start and end points are 0. White line is a 3D line. Z value of start point is 0, but end point is 3000 units. But let's say you're not aware of it. Now try to trim one line to another. See? Not possible. As in fact, these lines are not crossing with each other. Situations like this can sometimes be a real nightmare for the designers. Moreover, if you'll draw anything and snap it to any point which Z value is not 0, point of new objects will take over the same Z value as the point you have snapped into. Thankfully, AutoCAD offers option to force Z value to be 0 for all objects. Open AutoCAD options by either clicking on AutoCAD logo on left top corner and select options at the bottom, or simply type options in command line and hit enter. Move to Drafting tab. There is an option named Replace Z value with current elevation. Turning this option on will cause that all objects which you will draw in AutoCAD from now on will be drawn in currently set elevation. Elevation is the same as Z value. Current elevation can be specified by typing elevation command in AutoCAD and enter its value. Let's leave it as 0. Now let's draw a line and let's snap one of its ends to some point on white line, which we know is 3D line. As you can see, even though Z value of snapping point was different than 0, Z value of new point is 0 and your line is 2D line, just as you wanted. In addition, there is AutoCAD command named Flatten. It projects all highlighted objects to XY plane, making them coplanar. So if you will call up this command now and highlight all these lines, which we know that part of them are 3D lines, all selected lines became 2D lines with Z values of each point 0. It's worth to remember these two features, as these fixes unwanted 3D objects which AutoCAD messed up. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also visit my Facebook and Twitter pages where I'll be posting AutoCAD quick tips. Thanks and see you around.